Linux operating with GUI. GUI stands for Graphical User Interface. Basically, Linux operates with two types, GUI and CLI. CLI stands for Command Line Interface. Today we will learn Linux operating with GUI. Basically, in Linux has only one administrative user. It's called to root. First of all, we understand how to log in with root user. On desktop, you can see Linux login windows. Here, just add the username root in user text box. Type the root and then enter the password. Now press the enter. Now Linux system started with root user. You can see the Linux system desktop. On desktop, you can see the four icon: computer, root, home, trash, and DVD-ROM icon. Trash for recycle bin. Second, how to open the terminal in Linux system. Basically, in Linux, suppose if you want to run some command in Linux, so just open the terminal. How to open the terminal in Linux? Just right click on desktop and select the open terminal option. Just see on desktop, terminal is open. Basically, in Linux has total 12 terminals. Third, log off the system. Okay, how to log off the system? Just click on system and then select the logout route. Now system is log off. Shut down the system. How shut down the Linux system? Just click on system and then select shut down option. Now one dialog box is open. Here you click on shut down for shut down the system. If you want to restart the system, click on restart button. And if you want to hibernate the system, click on hibernate. Next, set the workspace. In Linux has by default 4 workspace. Using the workspace, the client use the Linux desktop. The client use many desktop simultaneously. You can see the workspace on bottom line. Here we are in by default workspace 1 and we open the one terminal. If you want to open the second workspace, just click on second workspace at bottom line. Now we are in workspace 2. We open the my computer. Suppose if you want to open the workspace 3, click on workspace 3. And now click on workspace 1. So here you can see the terminal. Suppose click on workspace 2, you can see the my computer. We are in workspace 1. So finally, using the workspace, you can use different type of desktop. If you want to extend number of workspace, just right click on workspace and select the preference. Now open the preference windows. Here you can set the number of workspace. By default 4 workspace. If you want to extend the workspace, just click on up arrow. Now we set 6 workspace. Now we have a 6 workspace. See on bottom line. So client use 6 different desktop simultaneously. Next, open the file browser. How to open the file browser? Like Explorer in Linux, just click on Application, then select the System Tools, and now select the file browser. This is like Explorer. Using the file browser, client manage our file system. Just click on File System. Here you can see list of file system. If you want to open Home folder, just double click on Home folder. Next, CD-ROM. How to access this DVD-ROM, CD-ROM in Linux system? On desktop you can see the DVD-ROM. Just double click and open the DVD. And second way, open the My Computer and you also access the DVD-ROM. Next, recycle pin. On desktop you can see one icon, one trash icon. Trash is a recycle bin. Next, search file and folder. How to search the file and folder on Linux? Just select the places and click on search for file. Now open the search for file windows. Here look in folder, by defaultly root. Just select the desktop and now type the file yp.conf in name content. Here finally and select and click on find button. Here yp.conf file find in desktop. File was not found. Now yp.conf file find in file system. Just select the file system and then click on find. Here yp.conf file is find in file system. Package, just click on browse option.